Okay guys, today we're in for a treat. Let's visualize our song that we created earlier on this channel. Open up the mixer, go to the master, and then you want to add this one, ZGameEditor Visualizer. Now it sounds funky because it really is. Go to add content. We're going to add an image, but you can also add videos. So let's add an image here. Then go to the main one here, and then click on this plus button. And then I'm going to look for image effects, image. Right now it's not an image effect right now. So the image source, select the image, because this is the one I added for my content. Now you can add effects to this. When I hit play now, it's just my video with the image and nothing else is happening, except if you edit image, of course, videos, of course. Now you can hit on the plus icon, and then you can add effects. So click here, go to post process, and let's look for audio shake. Then it's linked to the master, but let's also, we can select our 808. The amount is a tad much, so way down, maybe even 1 or 2%. See what's happening? Every time this 808 hits, the image is moving. So this is the part before the 808, and then it hits on that 808. One handy tip, of course, also. It always disappears. So you can also click here on detached. So whenever I click now here, this will stay here. Okay, so now the part before the 808 and then it hits and this will move. You can also link this, well, let's say to the master, but this is a lot. Well, it's whichever you prefer. So that is one effect. You can also add other effects by hitting the plus button. And then you can click here, go to background, and then for example the fog machine. You can decrease or increase the alpha, which is the opacity. And add more or less with the size. And well, there are different settings, so we can experiment with that one. By the way, if you add other images, those on the right go on top. So if I have another image, this go on top of here. And I can also move these images around, just the arrow, and move from here to left or to right. You can also disable this. And let's show you one other. Click here, then go here on none, then to peak effects. And let's choose the linear one. You will really like this one. So I would leave this on the master, but you can also choose for the kick here, for example, but master is the entire track. Now let's increase the size and move it down. The Y position is up and down, the X is left and right. So let's also change here the alpha. And if you're happy with your video and you added the elements and the effects that you like, then you can go export. By the way, before we do, make sure to look in all these settings. It's very much fun to play around it. I just showed you a very few possibilities. You can add many more. Well, let's do this one. Let's remove the blur, the amount a bit, if you have a sad song or something. You can A/B test it. So this is the one that I want. I'm going to click here on export video. Let's choose a folder on our computer. So I chose a folder on my computer. Then I like the HD settings for YouTube because I'm going to upload it to YouTube, but you can choose any platform that you like. Then hit on OK. And then you can have these settings and hit start and it will, well, it start to render a song. And now that the process is done, you can see here the MP4 file and then you click on it and there's your video. Right with the effects. I hope this helped.